Ah, we had whatever
Did you ever see the movie The Other Sister?
in the
Yeah.
car.
Do flipper.
She looks hungry.
Yeah.
There she goes. Yep, lick it. Lick it. Lick this out. Lick this
No,
out.
she's trying to
Yeah.
suck the thumb.
Yeah,
I'm looking for
that's
a
what she
Yep.
is.
She's
Yeah,
like,
that's
where
what
is
she's
that
doing.
thing?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It's nice and soft there. There must be something.
It's cushy.
That's right.
Actually, she's going, I know what that is.
Man boob.
What did him at Disneyland?
How they what?
What Evan did to him at Disneyland? Okay, so when I was pregnant, and they always kept saying like, "Oh, where's the baby?" He'd come up, he'd kiss my belly, he'd lift up my shirt. So they did it to me at Disneyland, and then he turns around and looks at Matthew and starts to lift up his shirt.
That phone in here?
And we were like, "No, Evan, there's no baby there."
They thought there was a baby there.
Oh, it's Sandra.
I think you're blocking.
Vlogging.
I think the truck is blocking. Or no, she's taking her. Never mind.
It's on.